So I'm Holly Gibbons. I am in my second semester of second year at Solent University. I'm studying business management.
I'm Sophie Packer. I study business management and I'm in second year.
I'm from Oxford and currently remotely learning and remotely doing my work placement.
The main reason I chose to come to Solent was because of the placement opportunity in second year rather than taking a full year out. I wanted to do university quickly but also get the work experience, and this was like the perfect university to do that with.
The placement I'm on at the moment is a 3-month placement that you do in your second semester of second year, but people also have the option to do a sandwich year. However, I get on with my class so well, I just couldn't see myself graduating without them. And luckily I have been offered the opportunity to work over summer as well, so I've kind of got the best of both worlds.
I'm currently working for Think Engine, which is a digital marketing agency. They specialise in SEO and PPC services, which is search engine optimization and pay-per-click advertising. They also do chatbot development.
We are Concert, it's actually, you refer to it as Concert, is based in Southwark in London, and there are teams of highly skilled project managers and cost surveyors and quantity surveyors. The easy way to put it is we're accountants for buildings. My role there has been a project management intern, but I've also touched base with HR, which has honestly opened a load of doors for me that meant I could learn more about the company whilst working with the project management team. And I've also done a little bit here and there with the marketing guys as well.
I do a lot of the chatbot development side of the business, so that's very technical. Just using this no-code software to create these very complicated chatbots for clients. It's very different to anything I've done before. I got to learn a lot of new skills, a lot of problem-solving skills, I think, because it's so technical. There's always something is always going wrong, or like not quite working how I want it to.
Joining Concert, once I got through the interview stages and the entire time there, I feel like I'm a part of a little family. You may not have met everybody face-to-face remotely working. I feel like I know everybody, and with 45 people come 45 new skill sets that you can network with.
They also do social media marketing for the clients, so I usually schedule in content, create the content. Also, I've done the SEO and PPC side as well. That's a lot of researching keywords, implementing them and seeing where websites can be improved.
So day-to-day for me as project management intern at Concert would be reporting to Johnny, who is one of the PM team, and the director of project management, Tom. I also have HR and marketing tasks. You kind of have to balance them all out, but primarily it would be attending construction, design, cost meetings throughout, depending on what stage the project is in. As a project manager, you need to keep on top of everything down to the last sink, honestly. And we take all of the invoices from everybody and put them into a monthly invoice schedule so that nothing's lost. We have key works that we have to look at, procurement, tenders.
I think the biggest challenge for me was when I started, there was just so much to learn, because where I joined in January and the end of financial year was coming up, that's like their busiest period. So I had to catch up on a lot of knowledge in order to be ready for that busy period. I think that, and it was very, like looking at all the training sessions I had, I was like, I'm never going to remember any of this. That was really overwhelming. But it all turned out fine. And everyone was so nice. If I had an issue afterwards, I could always ask someone. So it was all fine.
The course offers CV help throughout from the first day at Solent. CV help, referencing help, how to write a personal statement. All of that is included in the course. It's there if you ask for it. You can also go to Solent Futures, where they have a workshop a few times a week, I believe, and you kind of book in, you show up, well, remotely now, you show up, and you kind of give them what you have, what you're trying to aim for, and they'll support you throughout it.
I think something I've learned from university is definitely to always ask for help when you need it. I think there are so many students who just don't understand an assignment and don't know what to do, but if you just ask the teachers or professors, they know the assignment so well, and they're able to answer pretty much anything. I think I'll definitely take that into my career when I first struggle. It's always better to ask for help than to have to redo something again.
I am lucky to have had first year in Southampton and got a feel for the university life and met people that were also on my course as well as living close to me, I made a lot of friends that way. So I've been able to keep in touch with them in second year, be it remotely, but we are really looking forward to all kind of migrating back together and catching up. However, yeah, the course is fantastic. Claire and Gillian, everybody's really supportive and they're attentive. They're there for you if you have any questions, and they will elaborate, give you templates, and no question is a silly question. That's the best part about Solent.
My biggest achievement from doing my placement is having the opportunity to have an industry article published by Global Banking and Finance Review. I never thought that would be something I'd be doing during my placement.
My plans for the future are to hopefully ace this assignment that's going in today. Really, I want to feel like I know what industry I'm going to go into, and I do. I feel like I've accomplished that throughout work experience, and I'm looking forward to actually getting a feel of the London life with concert and attending the office and meeting people and going for lunches and after work drinks face to face. I think those are my plans, and when I come back to uni, I'll be able to apply everything I've learned to my work.